Hello, my name is Sean Marquardt, and I would like to share with you how to play a great game to play with your math students called Safe or Sorry. Safe or Sorry is a game that encourages students to strategically use their number sense to achieve the best possible score, all while considering the risks involved. To play this game, you need 2 or more players, a die for each player to roll, a recording sheet to record scores, or a whiteboard could be used as well, and something to record with, like a marker or a pencil. The materials for Safe or Sorry are very easy to obtain and can even be flexible. The mathematical goal of this game is to strengthen simple addition and multiples of 5 skills in students. Players will work together to compute sums and determine which numbers are multiples of 5. Players will also have to evaluate risk and reward using their number sense throughout gameplay. Now to go into the setup and gameplay of this game. The setup of the game is pretty simple. Each player is going to get 1 die, while 1 player volunteers to keep score. To start the game, each player simultaneously rolls their dice. Once each dice is rolled, the players will work together to add up the values from all dice. If the total sum of the dice from this roll add up to a number that is not a multiple of 5, everyone is safe. If it is a multiple of 5 on the first roll, sorry, no one gets any points and a new round will start. In this example, the students rolled a 5, 3, 4, and a 1. The students work together to add up that these add up to a 13. Since 13 is not a multiple of 5, everyone is safe. Now that all of these players are safe at their 13 points after the first roll, the players must decide if they want to risk all of their points from this round and play the next roll. Everyone will hold out a hand, and if you wish to stay in the game, you will put your die in your hand. If not, then you will keep your hand empty. All players will reveal their hands at the same time. In this example, students all showed a die in their hand, so they will all continue to play into the next round and risk their 13 points at a chance of earning more. In all rolls after the first, if the total sum of the dice from this roll and from the previous rolls in the round add up to a number that is not a multiple of 5, everyone who opted in is safe. Similarly, if the total of this roll and all previous rolls is a multiple of 5, sorry, everyone who opted into that round is out and loses all of their points from this round. In the second round of this example, players rolled a 4, a 3, a 5, and a 2. Using the roll from the previous, you'll start by adding 13 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2, which equals 27. Since 27 is not a multiple of 5, all these players are safe and they can move on to the next round with their 27 points. After the second round, the players have to choose to opt in and opt out again. Player 3 does not have their die in their hand, so they're going to opt out and take a guaranteed 27 points for this round. Players 1, 2, and 4 all opt back in and choose to risk their 27 points in the next roll. Once a player opts out, they can't opt back in, so players must decide if it is worth it to risk their points to stay in after each roll. In this third round, only player 1, 2, and 4 will roll their die since player 3 opted out and they were the only ones who opted back in. In this example, player 1 rolled a 4, 2 rolled a 5, and 4 rolled a 4. So they'll have to add those up and add them to the sum of the previous rolls, which is 27 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4, which equals 40. 40 is a multiple of 5, so sorry, all these players, 1, 2, and 4, are out and they will lose all their points from this round. Only player 3 will gain the points from when they opted out. So at the end of round 1, player 1 has 0 points, player 2 has 0 points, player 3 has 27 points, and player 4 has 0 points. The players keep on playing rounds until one player reaches a total of 150 points to win. And that's how you play Safe or Sorry. This game is a fantastic way to build number sense, encourage strategic thinking, and make math more engaging for students. For more details, principal recording sheets, and variations of the game, visit the link in the description. Thanks for watching.